Welding trials on Depta using grey, 2 clear and grey. We're actually using 10-second weld on this one. It's a thicker material and 1 amp for welding. Okay. It's controlling the power. You can see now the weld starting to take shape. Hold it down, keep it cooling on. Obviously it's welding hard. Keep the cool on there. Or cooling, should I say. Okay, lift it off, pull it out. Again, you can see a really nice weld on top. I'm not sure what it's like on the back side. Let it cool off a little bit. We did want a little lighter. That needs to cool off. Normally, should be. Looking at that one there, yeah, okay, good as it is. We'll send the samples out.